Hey everyone, welcome back. If you store passwords in your browser, you need to make sure they're properly protected. In the Brave browser, there are built-in tools to keep your passwords secure. In this full guide, I'll show you how to secure Brave browser passwords step by step in 2026. First, open Brave and go to Settings. Then find the Autofill and Passwords section. Click on Passwords to view saved login details. This is where all your stored credentials are listed. Make sure Offer to Save Passwords is turned on so Brave can securely store new logins. You can enable auto sign-in for faster access, but if you want more control, you can leave it off. Always use strong, unique passwords. Brave can suggest secure passwords when you sign up. On mobile or desktop, enable device lock so your passwords can't be accessed without authentication. If you use multiple devices, you can sync passwords through Brave Sync. Yeah, but make sure your sync chain is secure. Check your saved passwords and remove any weak or outdated ones. This improves your overall security. Brave can alert you if a password is leaked in a data breach. Make sure this feature is enabled. Finally, never share your saved passwords or sync access with untrusted devices. And that's it. With these settings, your Brave browser passwords stay secure, private, and well protected.